Citizens across multiple regions in South Asia are currently grappling with an intense heat wave with temperatures reaching a blistering 52 degrees Celsius in certain areas. This unprecedented heat is leading to considerable discomfort and raising serious health worries, prompting authorities in nations such as India and Pakistan to issue urgent heatwave advisories and safety protocols. Residents are being urged to stay well hydrated, minimize direct exposure to the sun, and take proactive measures to safeguard themselves against heat-related ailments.
South Asia is currently grappling with soaring temperatures. Numerous regions within India have witnessed mercury levels soaring beyond the 50 degrees Celsius mark, posing significant challenges to public health and infrastructure. Neighboring regions across South Asia are also facing similar stifling heat waves. Residents in various parts of Pakistan could be seen walking with their heads covered for protection from the scorching sun, while some sought refuge by taking rest under the tree shed. According to country's meteorological department, temperatures rose above 52 degrees Celsius in Pakistan's southern province of Sindh, the highest reading on the summer, and close to the country's record high amid an ongoing heat wave. In Mohenjo-daro, a town in Sindh known for archaeological sites that date back to the Indus Valley civilization built in 2500 BC, temperatures rose as high as 52.2 degrees centigrade. Mohenjo-daro is a small town that experiences extremely hot summers and mild winters and low rainfall, but its limited markets including bakeries, tea shops, mechanics, electronic repair shops and fruit and vegetable sellers are usually bustling with customers. But with the current heat wave, shops are seeing almost no footfall.
जैसे धंधा कारोबार सफ़ा टिप लगा पान चांज होटला सजो सजो नहीं बैठा आहियूं साईं घड़ी घड़ी विझूं था नलके में पऊं था वरी निकरूं था इलाही था टेम्परेचर साईं विझण सां कुझु न कुझु फ़र्क़ु थिए थी भाई बिजली कान्हे का साईं वॾो पुराणा साईं टेम्परेचर परेशान किया
दोपहर के टाइम पे दुकानें बंद करके जाते हैं और नलकों पे नहाते हैं। दादू केनाल हमारे यहाँ करीब है, वहाँ छोटे बड़े बच्चे जाते हैं, नहाते हैं और एंजॉय करते हैं, लेकिन गर्मी बहुत शदीद है।
Extreme temperatures throughout Asia over the past month were made worse, most likely as a result of human-driven climate change. This extreme heat is causing widespread discomfort and serious health concerns. Authorities have issued heat wave alerts and are urging residents to take necessary precautions. Doctors in the southern Pakistani city of Jacobabad are receiving about 10 to 12 heat stroke patients daily, and the hospital has set up a response center to cope with the number of cases.
हमने यहाँ हीट वेव का जो सेंटर बनाया है, इसमें आजकल तकरीबन 10 से 12 लोग आते हैं मुख्तलिफ अलामात के साथ। कई लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो अचानक बेहोश हो जाते हैं, कई ऐसे होते हैं जिनको चक्कर आते हैं, इनको उल्टी आती है, मतली आती है, किसी को पेट में दर्द होता है, किसी को बुखार होता है। तो ये भी हीट स्ट्रोक के अलामात हैं। तो हम फौरी तौर पे उसको शिफ्ट करते हैं वार्ड में, एसी वार्ड में, और आईवी फ्लूइड जो भी ज़रूरत है वो उनको देते हैं।
This relentless heat wave underscores the immense pressure on Pakistan's infrastructure and resources, emphasizing the urgent need for effective climate resilience measures to better protect and prepare communities for future extreme weather events. The weather department has predicted more heat wave days than normal until June this year.